let me just put on the record what my concern is here. When you juxtapose the guidelines, which are clearly supposed to be reflective of advances in medical technology that have a resulting favorable outcome, right? There's little, I don't think we have any debate there, right? But you juxtapose those changes, and I think for the most part, and we'll see what the surgeons have to say, but for the most part, I don't see a lot of direct correlation or connection between medical advances and some of those changes in those guidelines. I just don't see it. But then you juxtapose it with these changes in regulations. Think about that. As policymakers here, who were part of the negotiations in the budget and the charge that came out of those negotiations, not only do you have the board stepping on IMEs when they were clearly directed to do a study and a survey and then to issue recommendations. But then you have all these other changes regulatorily that, again, I don't see the connection with medical advances. And I do believe that was your charge. And so I have grave concerns about the proposals. I get the need to have a fair workers' comp system, fair to the employers, but also fair to the injured workers. And this was supposed to be a small change that was connected to advances in medical technology. And frankly, I just don't see that connection being sufficient.